msnbc.com.
The loss of confidence in the American government has emerged as an issue in this presidential campaign and in our American life. Our own NBC News poll tells us more than a third of Americans have little or no confidence in their government. This next story may help show why. A report out today says the Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, the government agency responsible for safeguarding our health and safety, failed to properly warn against the dangers of a chemical commonly found in everyday plastic items, including baby bottles. We get more from NBC's Tom Costello.
In a country seemingly awash in plastics and cans, renewed concern that a key ingredient approved by the FDA may lead to serious health problems after an independent group of scientists accused the FDA of failing to consider all the evidence.
From laboratory studies and from a number of different scientific peer review panels, we know that we do not want to expose our children to this chemical.
Bisphenol A, or BPA, is used in plastics to make them hard and shatterproof and often carries the number 7. Researchers have found BPA can mimic estrogen and disrupt hormonal and brain development in animals. In humans, especially small children, the concern is that BPA might damage the immune, reproductive, and neurological systems.
My advice to parents is to take active steps to limit your child's exposure to bisphenol A. Specifically, this means avoid any plastic that has the number 7 on the bottom of the bottle.
Already, many retailers and manufacturers have banned BPA products on their own. But the FDA today again insisted BPA levels are too low to cause concern. While the American Chemistry Council says it will follow the agency's advice should it change, Canada has already banned BPA.
Here we go.
In Atlanta, mom Carrie Loth writes an online newsletter about natural parenting and says many of her readers are confused.
When parents hear information that tells them that BPA is safe, but then they find out that in Canada it's been pulled off the market, that makes them quite wary.
For critics, including its own review panel, today's report is further evidence that the FDA's processes are flawed. Now the agency is under pressure to review all the BPA evidence. Tom Costello, NBC News, Washington.